Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I spend a lot of time cooking in the kitchen and a lot of that time is chopping. I really like chopping vegetables, but with a toddler, time is of the essence. So when I found this vegetable chopper, I thought it was way too good to be true, but it's not. This vegetable chopper by MAIPOR is absolutely perfect. It saves me so much time and energy. I love that it comes with this insert, so when you're chopping something that might have liquid, it drains it out so you don't have to get a mushy mess in your vegetables. I also love that it has this slicer option. It made it so much easier to cut the carrots into the exact same size, which was awesome for cooking. And when it's time to clean it out, or if you want to make sure you get all the pieces out, it has this little tool to get in between all the cracks of the blades. I like to buy a large bag of onions because I use them a lot, and I like to chop them up and put them in the freezer. Saves me a lot of time and money and tears because I can chop them so fast I don't even have time for my eyes to water. It's awesome, and I have a bag all ready to go for the freezer. If you are looking for a way to streamline your meal prep process, I highly recommend this vegetable chopper. It has saved me a ton of time in the kitchen and it is super easy to clean. And that's my point of view.